Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the controller connected and the right app open. Once your controller is connected by USB or wirelessly and batteries are sufficient, press the Xbox button, find Xbox accessories, and launch it. You need this app because it exposes stick sensitivity and dead zone controls the console UI won't. Make sure the app recognizes your controller. You'll see a controller image or name. Once done, choose the controller tile so you can begin creating or editing a configuration profile. You now edit a profile so changes are reversible. Select Configure and create new. Then focus on the left and right stick sections. Move the sensitivity and dead zone sliders slowly to tighten or loosen response. Lower dead zone makes the stick more responsive. Increase it to remove drift. Use the on-screen tester while you move the sticks so you see exactly how travel maps to input. Make iterative small changes because big jumps can make aiming or movement erratic. Save the profile when the sticks feel right. You finish by applying the profile to the controller and then testing in the game you play most. Play a short match or target practice to judge aiming and movement, then return to the app to fine-tune. Small incremental tweaks are best. If your changes don't stick, make sure the controller firmware is up to date, restart the console, or reassign the profile to the controller. If drift persists, increase dead zone slightly. That troubleshooting step usually resolves most non-responsive or unapplied change issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.